Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll show you how to allow an app that is being blocked by Windows Defender. FormatFactory is an app that is currently being blocked by Defender. As you can see, when I try to run formatfactory.exe, Defender automatically detects it and stops it from running. To unblock an app in Defender, follow these steps. From the taskbar, open Windows Security. Then, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Next, click on Manage Settings, scroll down, and under Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. After that, click on Add an Exclusion and choose the file or folder you want to allow. In my case, it is the file formatfactory.exe. Then click on Open. Keep in mind that Windows Defender will not scan any items that you add to exclusions, so only allow files that you trust. Now let's test it. As you can see, I can now run the app on my computer. If you have any questions, please